Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make very tasty cauliflower means gobi ka paratha. So whenever you will try this recipe, you will love it. So if you like today's video, please like, share and also subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So for making this recipe, firstly we will need the dough. So here I have taken 2 cup of wheat flour. So now I will need it little bit of soft dough. So add water and knead it really well. So knead it like this for 2 minutes. So it is done friends. You can see the softness of this dough. So now apply some oil and apply everywhere like this, and after that I will cover it and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. And friends, here I have taken half kg of cauliflower and I have washed it and graded it well. So now I will transfer it into a bowl. So remove extra water from cauliflower like this. So it is done friends. I have transferred it into a bowl and you can see little bit of water were there. So here I have taken some chopped green chili and some chopped ginger. So you can adjust chili according to your taste. So now add some chopped green coriander. Here I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of green coriander finely chopped. So now add carom seeds, half teaspoon. So firstly crush it, then add it, and cumin half teaspoon, some chaat masala half teaspoon, and half teaspoon red chili flakes. You can also add red chili powder, some mango powder, some coriander powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon mango powder, some chaat masala, and mix it really well. And here I did not add salt, so I mix it well, you can see. So now we will go into next process. So after 25 minutes it has done. So now knead it again for a minute, and after that I will make some dough balls. So you can make paratha small or big, it is your choice. So here I have made some dough balls. So now we will go into final process. So firstly add salt into this. So half teaspoon salt here I have added. You can adjust salt according to your taste and mix it. So friends, whenever you when you want to roll it, then add salt. So apply some wheat flour and make a bowl like this. You can see how I am doing this process. It is very easy. So now it is like a bowl. So now add 1.5 tablespoon of stuffing here. So add this and press it like this, and now cover it like this, and now press it and dust it with some flour, and now press it like this. It is very important step friends. Firstly press it and after that roll it. So we will roll it little bit of thick. So roll it in very light hand. You can see it is very easy friends. You can roll it in very easy way. So it is done. I have made one paratha. So now we will fry it. Firstly I will show you how it is. You can see. So now here I have taken a pan and tawa. So our tawa is heated well. So now add paratha, and when it cook in one side, then I will flip it, and here is the gas flame is high. So now flip it and cook another side for 1 minute, and it is also done friends. So now apply some oil or ghee, whatever you like you can apply. So here I have added some oil and spread it like this. Now flip it and apply oil another side also. So now reduce the flame, and in a medium flame we will cook it until it will be means brown color. So cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and press it like this. You can see it is looking very beautiful also. So I have cooked it for 3 minutes and it is done. You can see friends how it is looking. So now I will make all the paratha like this. So it is ready to serve. So friends, these are done. I have made some paratha, and if you want you can serve it with your favorite chutney or you can eat it like this. So please try this recipe at your home and share your experience with me. And if you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.